When did World War II begin? How were people protected during an air raid? How did the Allies crack the enemy's secret code? Find out the answers to these questions and more in DKfindout World War II, which features photographs and illustrations of war machines, battlefields, and world leaders from throughout the span of this widespread conflict. Readers will learn about the rise of Nazi Germany, the bombing of Pearl Harbor, and life during the war. From the horrors of the Holocaust to the Allies' victory against the Germans on D-Day, DKfindout World War II will provide kids with plenty of important details to pore over. Find the link below and buy the book now.